Okay, so good morning. How are you?
I am fine, and what about you?
Yeah, I am good. S- So, can you introduce yourself?
Yeah,
This
of
is
course.
our meeting, so yeah, I
Yeah,
want to know about you.
yeah, of course. I am going to introduce myself. So my name is Sanjeev Kumar Singh, and I am from Bihar. And about my qualification, I have done my graduation from Bihar board. And about my technical qualification, also I have done polytechnic from mechanical engineering. And I
Mm,
am married with two kids. And also now I am doing a private job and out
mm.
of country, not in country. Now I am doing a job out of country. And
Wow.
also now, so that I facing this problem for English language, so now I'm going to improve my English language on the social media, through on the social media.
Wow, that's very good. So, where you live nowadays?
Now I'm in the Gulf country. Maybe you know, I don't know because this is not a famous name. So there I have a Oman, Muscat. You know,
Okay. So, what do you do there? Means, what kind of work you do?
yeah, there have a oil and gas field because in almost Gulf country, oil and gas produce this one. So there have a oil and gas field. So you will provide the maintenance. Like if you have something problem in the issue maintenance like that, so you will provide this facility.
Okay.
So 3 months before I came here,
Okay. So, are you
I have a,
enjoying?
yeah, I have a six month contract. After I will go to home 1 month, then I will come back.
Okay. So, your family they live here in India.
Yeah, now my family in India. So just I came here because I'm working in India before. But now I'll try to some more money because I have a required for money. So I will
Oh,
try for the abroad job, and I got it as per my requirement, everything as my opinion because how much I want salary, which one I required, they I got here. So I came here and I started my journey here. So 3 months already completed. After 3 months, I will go home for 1 month.
wow, that's very good. So, so there people all speak English, na?
And not here many Indian people also, same UP, Bihar, Jharkhand, Bangla, all are people, but also have a Philippines, Indonesia, Oman, Malaysia, all are people working together. Nigeria, Ghana, maybe more than 25 country people are here working together. So we got the involvement from here, and now I'm going to try to English improvement because before don't have a requirement in India. When I working in India, all are Indian people, so you are easily communicate in Hindi. But
Yes.
when I came here, that time I realized we are not the only Indian. Other people are also colleague, my colleague, Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Nigeria, Ghana, many country people are here, and we are working together. So if we are working together, need to communication also. So now I am going to communicate in English. So I facing this problem. So through social media, I want to improve my English. So
Wow,
I
very
connected to people.
yeah, that's very when you reached first there. So how you manage that time you knew how to speak English?
Really, I know little bit because when I working in India, that time also I have sometime attended the interview for abroad. So they are taking the interview in English. So I am not facing the interview very well. So I just 6 months I take one session for the English speaking class,
Wow,
and you speak little bit, not a much more, but little bit. So I came here that time I'm not too much feel hesitated because I have a little bit knowledge. So we will communicate to each other, and now I am going to improve day by day.
wow, that's very good. So when you take classes, English speaking classes, when you took, so how they teach there? Actually, I want
Actually,
they're teaching
I'm
how.
telling, yeah, I'm telling about 2010 when I took this English session 2010. So we have a teacher from the Haryana. They are Haryana teacher, and we are doing. They are teaching because there are many people are there. Maybe 10 to 20 people, student is there. And first he 1 month he give the some task like a grammatically and some sentence. After he try to all people communicate with each other and try to communication to each other about ourselves, about our daily basis, what you did morning to till evening.
No,
So
yeah,
we will try to.
yes.
And also if you went somewhere for surrounding, what happened with you, what you see, what you watched, whom to meet, all are together sit and need to communicate it with each other, and then we'll try to improve like that. Who did
Wow,
the mistake, he correct same time.
Wow, that's very good. So, how much means when they start grammar like a part of speech, yeah, direct they teach tenses.
No, he first he start the basic means noun, pronoun, everything, grammar, present, past, future, everything. He started basic, but not you can say deeply. He briefing, little bit briefing because there I don't have time. He only course for 6 months, so he not completed everything in the deeply. So he given the sentence briefing, everything briefing because he know very well all are came from the school, so he know he already study about grammar and the noun, pronoun, everything he study but only for reminder in mind. And after he has started this sentence, and after he communicate a group communication, you can say group communication, four, 5 people together sitting, and you try to group communication. And also he given the chance. Sometimes he given the some topic like water, pain, everything. He give the one topic and they say 10 sentence. He stand at front of there have a one stand. You stand and say something out in what about this one.
Wow, that's very good. Okay, yeah. So your journey is very good. You know. So when you nowadays you live in abroad.
Yeah, now I'm abroad.
Okay, so only you talk with your kids like video call and audio call, yeah, na?
Yeah, now I'm only talking video call with my family, with my kids. Only talking video call. I miss too much because I spent the 8 year time with my kids, my wife, and now suddenly I lived and came in the other country. So I miss too much. So it's talking on the phone. Sometime day 10 time, 20 time. I called 5 minutes, 10 minutes like that. When I get the time, I called and video call and communicate with.
So how it is charged? Like normal, like India. Like I never went abroad, so I want to know. Means
Now you have to take the net pack. Like an Indian, you have to take the net pack. And there are many applications like you know very well about WhatsApp also have a facility video call. Like IMO has also have a video call facility. So every have. So here some expensive net charge because if you pay the 10 rupees, then you get the 15 GB, 15 GB. In that here 10 rupees means Indian you have to pay 2200,
oh my God, yeah, it's
2200.
yeah.
So monthly I have to pay 2200
Mhm.
for the net charge.
Wow. Wow. So okay. So nowadays you are, you know, you live there, so surrounding people they all speak English. So yeah, your practice is going very well. Yeah,
Yeah,
nowadays.
when I on the duty time, they have a all time practice in English. But when I came in the room, because roommate all Indian, I have a
Hmm.
one roommate from the Gujarat, and I am from Bihar. So two people in one room, and so I am speaking also some time with him in the English. So I will try
Hindi.
every time. I will try in English because
Okay, so
he also required.
yeah, he want to learn English. Yeah, both are want to learn English. So yeah,
Yes,
so yeah,
yes.
good. It's very good talk to each other every time. So do you know Gujarati?
I don't
Do
know
you
Gujarati. I don't know.
do you do you try and learn Gujarati?
Actually, I am not a try because when I feel any mistake, then I talk to with him English, otherwise Hindi. But I never
Okay.
try to learn Gujarati.
Yeah, that's very good.
Because without requirement, you cannot learn interested to any language. Now requirement English, so you are interested. If you
Yeah.
require Gujarati, then I am interested.
Okay, okay. So do you have any question to me?
Yeah, I have one question. So, how many your subscriber in YouTube channel within 4 months?
Subscriber, I think 200, 210.
So you try to more practice for make a more subscriber on YouTube channel because if you started YouTube, maybe you can become a one day YouTuber.
You know, I if they like my videos, they subscribe my channel. And you know, my only main purpose to learn English. That's why I open that channel. And yeah, if anyone subscribes, so I feel happy. I'm not saying I'm not feel happy because
It's on
if
a good platform. YouTube also a good platform for earning the money also, and you can say develop ourselves because there are everything knowledge in the YouTube. So you have
yes,
to there are both chance. You can earn also, and you have to make a
Mm.
future in the YouTube, and also they have develop ourselves on the YouTube.
Yeah, because nowadays I have time, so that's why I am doing, and I am enjoying this thing, like making video, talking to
So why you
someone.
not try to make some blockage and you try to globalize your channel? So you'll try to make you can give your more time on the YouTube also.
I have not too much time. I don't have too much time. I am housemaker, so I have
Yeah,
kids. So I'm take caring everything. So I not go anywhere every time. If I make blog channel, so it's need to go here and there and make your blog. So I have not enough time. How much I have time, so I do give you for YouTube.
but you thinking someday my subscriber will be 20,000, 25,000, so I will become a YouTuber like that happen. So you telling about the Hati madam, the Hati madam. Maybe they have a more subscriber because I watched her video. Maybe more than 50,000 have a subscriber.
So she did lots of hard work, she did lots of hard work there.
Yeah, but you also think you started from the zero and now more than 200 you have a subscriber.
I am very happy,
So
I am
yeah,
very happy.
so 200 people like your video, 200
Yeah.
people learn something from you, then he subscribe your channel. Without benefit, nobody subscribe the channel to anyone. Yeah.
Yes.
So you don't think I can't do anything. So you will try. It can be possible. I'm not saying sure, but can be possible anything.
Time I not thinking, I not able to do anything. Yeah, I able to do everything. I have one quality. If I promise myself I want to do this thing, so how hard that work I do. If
Yeah.
if need to get up early in the morning and sleep late night, but I do very good.
Yeah.
When even one subscriber again, so we feel very happy and we feel
Yes.
very motivated. Means people like me, and they subscribe my channel, they comment me, they watch my video. So yeah, it's very fruitful, like very energetic when we see like this, like anyone like my video and subscribe my channel. Yeah.
Yeah, because daily basis maybe more than 1,000 YouTuber become on the YouTube, and maybe 1 lakh, more than 1 lakh video uploaded on the YouTube channel.
Yes.
But
Yes.
if you have a 200 subscriber, means also it's a big achievement because without a benefit, don't want to anybody do anything. So
Yes.
he get something from you and he something like it, and he subscribe your channel. So I
Yes.
hope maybe you also become a one day YouTuber.
Thank you so much.